Welcome to the Meghalaya State GeoHub portal, a cutting-edge geospatial platform designed to transform governance, decision-making, and resource management in the state. This advanced technology integrates geospatial information from multiple state departments to create a centralized, real-time, and interactive digital ecosystem. The GeoHub's dashboards offer an intuitive interface where users can explore multiple layers, features, and meaningful information. From tracking land use, land cover, and urbanization, to disaster awareness and environmental insights, everything is just a click away. With AI-powered analytics, the platform provides valuable information which can aid decision-making, and real-time series data helps to track trends such as deforestation, weather forecasting, and water budgeting, supporting evidence-based decisions. Real-time data from IoT sensors enhances situational awareness, ensuring users are kept updated on certain environmental conditions, climate changes, or emergency alerts. The portal also emphasizes community engagement, with survey forms for collecting information from villages which can be displayed on dynamic dashboards and story maps. This participatory approach empowers communities and encourages grassroots input. Advanced search and filter options help users easily access specific information, while seamless API integration and report generation makes it convenient to share and customize information for further analysis. Whether you're a policymaker, researcher, student, or community, the Meghalaya State GeoHub portal is your gateway to smarter and useful data-driven governance. Explore the power of geospatial intelligence today and be part of Meghalaya's journey towards sustainable development.